In a minute. Alright, pull it 3 times now. Again.
3 times?
Yes.
1, 2, 3.
Alright, so. Hunter Summer Breeze, I believe.
Well, we ought to be able to tell. Shouldn't we, Olivia?
Alright, pull it 3 times again.
3 times again? 1, 2, 3.
Alright.
Wow, look at that.
And it wobbles a little too.
Yeah, that never happens here. Just Mr. Clarence puts a foot to that. You know why?
Okay. Turn the light.
It gets cold.
Turn the light off.
It gets cold too.
Hold the light chain and then pull it back.
I don't see it.
Right there.
Oh, here we go.
And pull it again. And now pull it 3 times to turn it off. Not the light chain. Yeah, chain.
Yeah, Joey changed